Hello, good evening students. Let us see one problem which is asked by my student. What about the problem is, this problem asked in the JEE Mains 2014. The question, ratio of masses of oxygen and nitrogen in particular gaseous mixture is 1:4. The ratio of number of their molecules is, okay. So they are asking the ratio of number of their molecules, right? So how can you be able to solve this problem, students? First of all, they have given the ratio of masses of oxygen and nitrogen in the, means that is weight of what is given O2 and weight of what N2 is given. How much ratio, student? It is 1 and this one is the 4. Next one is there, students, what is given? Another things, the ratio of oxygen and nitrogen in particle gas 1:4. The ratio of number of their molecules they are asking. Okay, so dear students, let us try to solve. So number of moles, you know, no student, number of moles. What is number of moles? So that is given mass upon what, student? Molar mass. Okay, so ratio of moles, how can you write ratio of moles? So ratio of moles, if you are writing, so given mass of what? Given mass of O2 upon molar mass of O2, total divided by given mass of what? N2 divided by molar mass of what, student? N2, equal to ratio of moles means NO2 upon N2 equal to given mass O2, given mass O2 divide multiply by of N2 divided by, okay, divided by what will come? Of O2 into given mass of what, student? N2. So some informations are given here. Okay, what are given? Given mass of O2 is there, how much? That is 1, and given mass of N2 is there 4, into what is there? Of N2, okay, of N2 divided by of O2. This they are asking. Now dear students, what we can do here, okay, so NO2 upon N2 is equal to 1/4 into molecular mass of N2, how much, student? So N2, molecular mass of N2 is 14 plus 14, so it is coming 28, and MO2 is equal to 16 plus 16, it is coming 32. So put the value, so that is, it is coming how much? N2 28 upon 32. Okay, so 4 7 ja 28. Okay, so that is, so number of, what they are asking, students, number of their molecules in the term of moles or anything, you will be the same, student, it will be the same. Number of molecules में N is equal to, N into Na, so Na will be common. Okay, so that is whatever the moles will be there, ratio of moles will be equal to number ratio of molecules. So NO2 ratio NN2 is coming how much? 7:32. So 7:32. Let us try to see option 7:32. Option number B is correct. Little tricky, student, but that is quite easy. If you are having practiced this type of question, you can easily solve. Thank you so much for watching, friends.